Hi everyone, welcome back. Today again we are going to do a journal with me session. But please grab your material, I'll wait. No, I mean it, I'll wait. Get your material so that you can do it with me. And this is the spread we are going to make. So you need a picture, this tag, this sheet and a doily paper and some black pen. Once you're ready with it, let me know. We'll go ahead.
So firstly, you can take any image. I'm taking this one and paste it in any corners. To begin with, I have just pasted it in the right corner. Next, I'm using this tag. Again, you can choose whatever color you want according to the picture you have used. So the colors should go together well. That's the basic idea. Next, I'm just making a checklist for here so that it all falls into place. The basic idea here is only to fill up the space. That's how the texts help. And next, this musical sheet, which was already a part of the kit, the monthly Kimmy's Corner kit, I'm tearing it off to give a texture. And don't worry if this happens, this incident of not getting the tear very finely, you can always change it later on. Once you have torn it, you can cut it out from one of the sides. Now, one trick is, which I'll show you a little later. So this is one way that always saves paper also when you are tearing stuff and you want to reuse it. Now I'll paste it on the top of the page and you see some text is getting covered, but don't worry about that. And I was pasting it earlier in another way, but then I wanted this text to go away. And just to see, this alignment was also not looking well, so I'm just cutting it off. And the next thing is, now right page is filled, we have to fill the left page. So this is the trick I was talking about. We have the textured part on one side and again I've cut it. The textured part was similar as before. So now we paste it on the bottom of the page. These extra parts that remain, you can always cut them off later on, so don't worry about that. The basic requirement here is that you get the exact size of the strip that you want. Now you see both the sides are looking same, both the pages basically. It maintains a theme. And now the next one is the doily paper. If you remember, this is what was left from one of the spreads that we made earlier. And then we paste the doily and you see it is looking very cohesive. I had planned to use this stamp also, but since it's a red color and it's not going anywhere with the spread, so I just left it. And then just a border. I'm not using any scale or any ruler for this. I'm just going very randomly because it looks good. You don't have to be very precise when it comes to these random ideas, especially. And my idea basically is to do some lettering on this page, and I'm using pencil for that first, just to have a rough idea of how I'll be placing the words, how much space they will get. It's always good to have a rough draft using a pencil first instead of sketching directly, unless of course if you are confident with it. I'm using a brush pen, and you can always learn some little bit of lettering if you like. There are a lot of tutorials on YouTube itself. It's quite a simple thing that when you go down, you make the strokes heavier. When you go up, the strokes are thinner. That's the basic rule. Of course, it takes a lot of time to master them, but to begin with, it's good to go. And else, you can also try fox calligraphy if you like. There will, of course, be tutorials for the same. So this is my quote that I'm writing here, that not everything needs a plan, some things only need an impulse. I don't know how many of you agree to that, but I think that is very true, especially when it comes to taking big decisions, taking decisions that you always waited for, but then one day it comes and you do it all on spirit.
Also, if you don't have the same material, please do not lose heart. All you need is just substitutes for things that look similar. And even if they don't look similar, you can just use the same layout and create a journal. This is just an inspiration. You can get your creativity going as far as you want. You can experiment with colors, you can experiment with layout as well. So just go with what your heart says, follow it, and I tell you the journal will look